kabudol, my last and final unboxing from the shop of Sunny's Gold Jewelry PH. Hindi ko natanda yung mga in-order ko. So, ito yung waybill. And then, as always, naka-bubble wrap siya. And then, I have free dragon sticker. Mahirap kasi siyang i-push, kaya binupit ko na lang. And isa pa rin siyang necklace. Medyo uso din kasi itong disc necklace. So, another pang layering ulit. Ang cute, grabe. Wow. Matitibay kasi ang Tauco chain, even they are lightweight. That's why I bought it. Also, guaranteed, for the reason some of my jewelry collection, I had Tauco chain. So, even they are lightweight, they are very solid and strong. So, this is it. I'm excited to wear na. Thank you for watching mga kabudol!